Amen. Now, let me introduce to you our classroom rules, and I am expecting everyone to follow these rules. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now let me ask our class secretary, Michelle, to check the attendance and give the list right after the class, okay? Okay, now, before we start introducing our new topic for today, are you ready for an activity?
Yes,
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So our activity for today is you're going to make your own story according to different book covers. So I will be, since you're very few of you, I only need one group. The whole class needs to participate. So you only need to create a story according to this book format. I know you are all familiar with this. Ugly duckling. So I will give you 3 minutes to prepare, and you will have 2 minutes to present your play. Yes, you need to act your story out. Is the instructions clear?
Yes.
Okay. 3 minutes starts now.
Guys. Okay. Let's see. What's the story?
Kabalo ka, kabalo ko gawin sa ka JJR sa imong cellphone.
Nakaka-training din para na mag-option.
Uy, kauwi, aning yan, very fresh.
I thought yan yung paper to glass. Kriminal ko naman.
Mapusilan siya?
Mapusilan, mapusilan. Dili ang mapusilan na is dili ang agidapling, di ba?
Ay, hindi mo yung
Hala na day una na. Kabalo. Abi na kog nahimo na to siyang swan. Ay kaning ugly duckling, ugly gid siya. Bati gid siya nawong. Ay. Ay ikaw na ano? Bati oy, namatay ka. Unsay moral lesson sa inyong story? Don't be ugly. Grabe yan yung moral lesson.
Okay, are you ready to present your story? Okay, everyone, pay attention. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you can start in 3, 2, 1. Action!
Gawin sa mo.
Okay, sige.
Nadi duckling maging ana ba yun? ang pagka-ugly.
Okay, thank you everyone for your participation. So with that activity, what have you noticed? Yes, Piano?
I believe, ma'am, we are going to talk about book format.
What have you noticed, Pagali?
Let's see. So our topic for today is all about book format. Book
Wow.
formats for children and adolescents. So first, let me present to you our learning objectives. Please read, everyone.
Identify the different book formats for children and adolescent literature. Develop the ability to analyze and identify the book format of a given children's or adolescent book based on its characteristics, layout, and features through compare and match activity. Practice selecting age-appropriate book formats to foster reading engagement, comprehension, and enjoyment in children and adolescents through class discussion.
But wait, the books are missing. Is that Mowgli? Oh yes! I need someone who is strong and brave enough to handle every obstacle. So Mowgli will going to help us find the missing book formats. So Mowgli is a young boy raised by wolves in the jungle. So what we need to do is to find those missing book formats in the keepers of the jungle. So the keepers of the jungle are the different animals. So now, as Mowgli starts his journey, he noticed that Papa Wolf, which is Rama, is being bothered about his journey. So he asked Rama, Father, are you one of those keepers? And Rama said, yes. And for you to be able to have the book, you have to answer my riddle. So let us have Mowgli answer the riddle.
Unlock my pages, behold the treasure trove. Imagination's realm,
What do you think is the answer?
Book.
Book?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, it is book. So Rama gave Mowgli the first book that is missing, which is picture books. So picture books generally used to refer to books with illustration and lesser text, and it consists of verbal, narrative, and visual elements in book format for younger children. So why do you think that picture books is intended for children 2 to 4 years old? Yes, Annie.
Because I believe during those age range, they still don't know how to read, or kung maka-read mo ganit, very minor pa, so mas sila yung visual, even
Yes, you're correct. Thank you, Annie. So children are more attracted to books if it has a lot of illustrations or pictures in it. So the stories teach a lesson and have a clear concept and are easily recognized due to their length and size. And they are larger in shape than any storybook and have a uniform number of pages or sheets. So a storybook should be larger in size for be able to students and the parents and also the teachers to facilitate or guide the students, especially in storytelling or in storytelling. So this is an example of picture books, Spare Dog Parts, and Harold and Purple Rain. So this book is actually a picture book, The Ugly Duckling. So as you can see, look at the pictures and the illustration. Will you be attracted to this book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is an example of picture formats. So there are two types of picture books. Which first is pop-up books. I know you are all familiar. What is a pop-up book? It contains the pops to be easily manipulated by the reader. So of course, the pop-up books can be easily manipulated by the readers or children because of the design, right? Yes.
Yes.
I forgot to bring my pop-up books, but I know you are all familiar with this. Next is picture story books. So these are pictures with storylines, and the picture and text convey the plot or the story. So picture story books, meaning it doesn't need to have a text on it. A picture story book can only it will only it be
Different scenarios.
yeah, the pictures in the picture story book can be sorry everyone. You can create your own plot of the story by analyzing the images in the book. So is that clear?
Yes.
So what is again a storybook? John Paul?
Picture storybook doesn't come the necessary text on it, but it at least it has pictures that contains the story.
Yes. Thank you, John Paul. So now let us join Mowgli as he continues on finding the missing books. So the missing books belong to his trusted friend, Bagheera. So he immediately asks Bagheera, "Are you one of the keeper of those books, Bagheera?" What do you think Bagheera answered?
Yes.
So Bagheera is one of those keepers. And the only challenge that Bagheera wanted for Mowgli is to answer a riddle. Please read, everyone.
In worlds unseen, I come to life. With characters and plots, I'll ignite. Imagination's key, I hold the glory. What am I?
Book. Book? Yes. And what contains a book?
Package.
Text.
Story.
Yes, story.
Very sad.
Is story. So the next book that is missing is transitional books. So transitional or easy to read books are designed for beginner readers to be successfully independent readers. So this is intended for 4 to 7 years old. Why do you think so? Yes, JJ.
Because here in the transitional books, the kids will be able to read the book by themselves.
Thank you. That's correct, JJ. So transitional books is 4 to 7 years old because they can be able to build word recognition by themselves. They can comprehend the story by using this book. So transitional books are smaller compared to picture books or regular books. So the book gives clues to the message, meaning of the words, thus they are for children to comprehend. And they are artistic enough to make the book interesting for children. So transitional books also include illustration in it for the children to comprehend what the story is all about. So word patterns and repetitions are usually used, and the sentences are generally shorter, and the text must be well written since it is designed for beginning readers. Why do you think so? Evan? Why does it need that transitional books is well written? Must be well written.
So
So, for me, in this context, of course, the author just wants to present the knowledge or the story that in an episodic form so that the children won't get any information overload because in this stage the child is still learning how the stories work exactly, and of course the author needs to present the story in a more simplistic manner, not in the way that we read books, not in like novel forms and whatnot, but rather in a more simplistic and transitional way for them to easily digest whatever it is they read the story.
Yes, you are correct. Naman, so for them to avoid reading exhaustion. So this book includes Fable of Montans. So this that is designed for children to easily navigate what is in the book. So an example here is the Cat in the Hat. Are you all familiar with this? Yes.
Wag na nagali na yung movie. Na yung movie.
Right? Have you seen the
Yes,
movie?
ma'am.
And the talented and I also have here a book that is
Very, wow.
see
Very transitional book.
source and a bucket full of stories. So this includes different chapters of stories.
Wow, dinosaur.
As you can see, there is a table of contents. You are a child. Will you read this? Yes.
Isag karon.
If you want to borrow this book, just
Si
tell me.
Myla.
You can see, very colorful, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It has text on it. Okay. Now, let us continue the journey in finding the third book. So Mowgli find Baloo on his way. Since Baloo is hungry, what Baloo needs for Mowgli is to answer a riddle because the answer of the riddle is his snack for today.
Si Mowgli. Si Mowgli yung snack. Golden and sweet, a natural delight.
Made by body creatures in flight, flowers gathered on a sleepy tree.
Honey! Ay, honey!
Are you sure?
Honeycomb! Honey jar! Honey!
Money. And our next book is going to be illustrated books. So what do you think is illustrated books? Drawings.
Which is a strange time.
Illustrated books has fewer pictures or illustration and more text because children mature to be more independent readers as children develop their reading ability, word recognition, and better comprehension. Books that they read or made for them have fewer illustration. Since at that age, 7 to 10, the book must be made with fewer pictures so that they can practice or develop their reading ability and word recognition. So unlike picture books, texts are more necessary in illustrated books. Why? Yes? Ani?
Because during mga age mga 7 to onwards, kay kuhan ka nang mature na sila, so they can understand words more better naman.
So at that age, what grade do you think?
Mga grade, I was still 7, 7 so
Grade.
elementary
Yes.
school to 1. Grade 2 to 5.
Grade 2 to 5 years old, yes. So they use illustrated books to strengthen comprehension and grasp the events in the story. So this is an example, but sad to say I cannot provide the ebook of this book, but what the story of this Evan means Bucky Lee is a heartwarming lesson in kindness, where we move to a certain village and we meet a bully named Bucky Lee. But Bucky
Named
wants to be
JJR.
friends with this Bucky Lee. He wants to be friends with this Bucky Lee, but the other friends would not let him. But his mother told him that there are stories behind that child why he is being a bully, became a bully. Okay, so that is why it is a heartwarming lesson in kindness. So now to proceed with the next missing book. What do you think? Who is this?
Thank you, sir.
Uy, wala ko kaila sila mga ngalan.
So, since Mowgli knows who is the next keeper of the book, he tries to convince Kaa.
Ah, si Kaan.
But he got hypnotized and captured by him. But
Let's call around.
Baloo noticed that Mowgli is being captured. So he asked Kaa, what do I need for you to let go Mowgli and have the food? Answer a riddle. What Kaa needed is for her to be entertained. So
Sayawin na may piano.
Kaa said, I want someone in the class to dance.
Go Kian.
So I can let Mowgli and have given.
Letter A.
Okay, I want piano. Piano. What? There is no music.
One, two, three,
And we
go.
call Iros to provide music for piano.
Water.
Five little monkeys.
Humpty Dumpty. The doctor said. Kapuya, may mga estudyante, oy!
Finally, Kaa let Mowgli escape and give him the next book, which is a graphic novel. What the very graphic novel?
Very explicit.
Do you have any idea? What is a graphic novel? Are you still interested? Si Kaa! I think JJ is Kaa.
Yes, I am.
Very hypnotizing.
So it is a terminology coined by Will Eisner to describe novels that are illustrated and written as comic book in style. So graphic novels are similar to what is a comic book. So are you all familiar what is a comic book?
Yes.
Yes.
In a comic book.
Yes.
Yes. So this is intended for 10 to 13 years old. So it became popular with older children and adolescents. So unlike comics, graphic novels focus on one story. The plot of the graphic novel is lengthy and the storyline is more complicated. Why do you think so? That the story in graphic novels is complicated. Yes, JJ?
I think it's because in fictional graphic novels, stories are told through combining text and illustration, so you need to dig deeper what's the context.
Yes, that's very good, JJ. Since it is intended for older children, the plot of the story should be more complicated. Some graphic novels are originally based on novels, and they are especially designed for those visual learners who are interested more in reading novels that are illustrated. So I have an example, but so to say I don't have any connection. But are you all familiar with the Diary of a Wimpy Kid?
Yes! Very guwapo ang kuya.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So have you do you have a book of it?
Movie
No, ma'am.
what is a comic book. So if you visualize what the comic book and the story diary of a Wimpy Kid, that is how it is written in a book. So now, for the fifth book that is missing, Mowgli asked, who do you think that is? Correct.
Babu. Ay.
Baloo is the bear. And that,
Katong King.
yes, it is King Louie.
Ah, King Louie.
So,
King Keanu.
asked King Louie to have, to give him the missing book. And Mowgli asked if what they need to do for him to have it. So what King Louie said,
Banana daw.
I saw that you struggled in the past days that you are finding the other missing book. So what I need you to do is just very simple challenge, which is answering a riddle.
Banana.
Why do you think we're just looking at the text?
Banana.
Monkey. Yes, it is his favorite food in the world. So King Louie immediately gave Mowgli the book, and he told him to continue to be brave and face challenges that you will encounter. So the next book that King Louie had given is chapter books. Do you have any idea what is a chapter book? From the word chapter.
Ako ma'am.
Yes,
Kuan ma'am, books that contain chapters. So murag if movie pa siya, kato siyang series, dili movie lang,
Yes,
series.
you are correct, Yara. Thank you. So as children approach the puberty and adolescence stage, the books made for them become longer, more complicated, and have fewer or no illustrations. And so this is 13 to 16 years old. Now graphics are available but do not have less importance to the text. So in chapter books, it doesn't need to have illustration on it because it is more focused on the storyline, the text in the book. So these books are referred to as chapter books or juvenile or junior books. Chapter books are long, sufficient for the authors to split the whole book into chapters. Yes, Kiara is correct. And chapter books can be fictional or non-fictional. And if it's non-fictional, you need to include biographies on it because some chapter books have a story that is all about real stories from different people. So an example is Charlotte Web. Are you familiar with this?
Yes.
Let me read. So this is
For table, di ba na, ma'am?
there is a table of contents in it. And as you can see in chapter 1,
Before breakfast.
so the context in this book has more that is why it is intended for what age again?
16, 14 to 16.
Yes. Look at the context.
13 din.
Kill.
13.
Now let's proceed to the last book.
What?
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Are you tired? No,
No, ma'am.
Let us help Mowgli to find the last book, the last missing book. So the last book belongs to Shere Khan. It's our nemesis. So he asked Shere Khan, kindly, please, Shere Khan, can I have the last missing book? But what Shere Khan wanted is to
Eat.
fight. You want to fight.
Keanu fight! Keanu fight him!
It's Eman.
because and Mowgli needs a weapon to fight Shere Khan. What do you think is the weapon that Mowgli needed?
Ang kagara ni Keanu.
You can only have that weapon if you answer this riddle.
Dancing and flickering as
I bring warmth and glow in the darkest night. Force of nature, both friend and foe.
Ako ma'am, kabalo ko, fire! Fire!
Yes, fire. So Mowgli fight Shere Khan with fire. So did
Hindi po
Mowgli
siyang avatar. Firebend.
defeated Shere Khan?
Yes.
Yes, because Shere Khan is afraid of fire. So finally, Shere Khan let go the last missing book, which is
Verse novels.
So what do you think is the verse novel? Yes, Yano?
I think in for me lang ni Mama, I think favorite book ni Ate Annie, the Bible.
With children and adolescent, Keanu.
Bible belongs to verse
Mo na rin
novel.
laban ako.
So it is a type of children and adolescent novel written in verse. It is a lengthy narrative poetry. So the books in verse novels uses poetic language. So this is a hybrid of the elements of a novel and poetry in verse novel. Although the verse forms are not strictly definitive, characterization, narration, dialogue, and multiple voices and description are based on the elements of novels. So each poem in the verse novel captures an idea, a moment, a scene, or a significant mark in the character's life. Okay, so for you to be able to understand what is the content in the verse novels, you have to have the ability to recognize each word, because writing a poetic book is very hard, right?
Yeah.
And it is complicated. And you need to really comprehend or understand what is the book or the content in the book is all about. So this is an example.
Swallow is
Swallow is that.
24.
It's an error, but this swallow that is saying the content is written in poetic genre or in verse. So by this pyramid, we can analyze and the different chapter books that is different book formats that is intended for different ages, right? From 2 to 4 years old to 16 years old and above. So you can take pictures